Hey YouTube, it's PokeChess here with another Pokemon boxing, and we got the Alola Lunala collection box. Alright, we're gonna get straight into this again. Check out our video where we opened the Solgaleo box. Also, the Snorlax GX box. You can look at those videos in my video list. But this box is quite big. Always quite big. So it comes with the pin, the figure, the 3 cards there, jumbo card, and 5 booster packs. 5 booster packs, guys. Alright. And as you can see at the back, we have the Snorlax and GX jumbo cards. Remember to check out those videos. Well, let's try to get this open first. There we go. Okay. I'll just get this promo card out. Put those down. There's our pin, the figure, and stand. 5 booster packs. And the jumbo card. We're going to put that at the back with the other 2. Alright. Here we have our 3 promo cards. Litten, Poplio, and Rowlet. So I already have these cards from my previous Solgaleo unboxing. I'm thinking about giving these away, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what you guys think, eh? So comment below, like the video, and subscribe. We'll see what happens. We'll see the feedback that we get. Here's the figure. Or what's supposed to be the figure, but I can't figure out how to put this in. Well, figured that out. Alright, there we go. There's Lunala there. Looks very, very cool. And the pin, which also looks very cool. We have 5 booster packs, 2 evolutions, Fates Collide, Steam Siege, Breakpoint. Alright, I'm going to open this from favorite to least. So we're going in that order. Without further ado, let's open some cards. I'll give you guys that one. Let me know what you get, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Snubble, Seal, Bronzor, Cottony, Burmy, Altaria Spurling, Pokemon Fan Club, Kabuto, Reverse Holo Kangaskhan, and the regular rare Exploud. Oh well, nothing good there. Next one, moving on. Steam Siege. Steam Siege. Who do I want? I would like a Volcanion EX. Okay, I'm gonna keep that code. 2, 3. Here we go. Mantine, Meowth, Larvesta, Fletchling, Oshawott, Dewar, Hawlucha, Anorith, Reverse Holo Hydreigon, and oh, that's nice, the regular rare Talonflame. That's very nice. Very, very effective ability. Put that in the top there, that deserves to go there. Hope he doesn't fall in. Ah yes, found a new use for our Elite Trainer boxes. They can serve to hold our cards, our good pulls per se. Well, there we go. Oh, keep that code. Here we go. Fighting Energy, Magikarp, Onyx, Sandshrew, Vulpix, Potion, Marchoke, Full Heal, Machamp Break. Very nice. I do have one, but it's always nice to have a second. And lastly, Arcanine. Machamp Break. Pleasant surprise. Put him in the sleeve. Put him in the back. Oh, Talonflame, come on, buddy. Alright, second evolutions, second to last pack. Well, we know what that means. Here we go. Machop, Growlithe, Pikachu, Psychic Energy, Charmander, Revive, Misty Determination, Coughing, Reverse Holo Pokedex, and the Eradicate. Breakpoint, guys. Need some cards out of this. We're going Darkrai EX, Max Elixir, maybe even a Professor Sycamore. Let's do this. One of those, any of those, I'll be happy with. Oh, there's a code for you. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Drowsy, Spritzy, Timpole, Clefairy, Chikorita, Puzzle of Time. I think I have this card. Swanna, Misty's Determination, Reverse Holo Aromatus, and ooh, the Espeon EX. Wow. There we go, guys. Espeon EX. Those are our good pulls of the day. We'll move this closer, have a quick look. Not to mention this Reverse Holo Hydreigon here. We'll put him there too. We'll put you there, buddy. Reverse Holo. There are our good pulls of the day. Help big jumper cards in the back. And our promo cards. So I'm still thinking we'll go 200. If we get 200 subscribers by next week's unboxing, next week Wednesday New Zealand time, I'll give these away to one of my subscribers in a giveaway. Okay? Only because I already have these. Alright. That's the video for the day. We're gonna get some sleep, guys. I'm tired. I am tired. Alright. 500 subs. 100 code card giveaway. If we get 200 subs by next week, which is a bit of an ask, I understand that. But if we do, I'll give away those 3 promo cards to one lucky subscriber in my subscriber list. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Comment below. I always reply to my comments. I like to talk to you people. I like to have those conversations. I feel like that's something we should do. Okay. That's our video, guys. I will hope to see you next time. This is Poker Chess, out.